Was the nightmare before Christmas and rolled through the house. Not a creature was peaceful, not even a mouse. The stockings, all hung by the chimney with care, when opened that morning would cause such a scare. The children, nestled all snug in their beds, would have nightmares of monsters and skeleton heads. Jack Skellington here for Halloween time. This year he's decided to play Santa Claus. Don't pull down the bar. It will float down, please. And keep a close watch on all children, please. All good ghouls and boys must sit safely in their seats. Keep in their sleigh, all hands, arms, legs, or feet. Somos todos ya felizmente. Los fantasmitas y fantasmitas deben quedarse en su asiento. Y en el cochecito mantener brazos, manos, piernas y pies adentro. More rapid than punctures, the fashion was changed. All was soon.
What does that say? Dog bones. I love you, Maverick.
The ghost dog reindeer. Christmas present. So bring out the bells. There's more cheer to uncover.
Mystery in the air. 10 tiny leaves that swirl with secrets yet to share. On the 9th day of Christmas, my ghoul love gave to me 9 magic crystals that sparkle with a force that is pure. 8 balls of knowledge that answer with a truth that is sure.
Please remain seated in your black Christmas sleigh. We will continue your holiday tour momentarily.
Yet to be. On the 5th day of Christmas, my ghoul love gave to me 5.
Are you ready to resume your visit? We will continue our holiday tour in no time at all. Why, even a picture of how could seated in your black Christmas sleigh. We will continue your holiday tour momentarily.
Can you believe your eyes? I like this Christmas thing.
Are you ready to resume your visit? We will continue our holiday tour in no time at all.
What's this? What's this? Scary, scary Christmas. Wishing you a scary, scary Christmas. Hear your lies. Blowing from the tomorrow. Welcome to Oogie's Holiday Century. Round and round she goes. Oogie elbows. Are you ready for a trick? All right.
Can't wait till next year. I heard him exclaim as he